Hi guys, I'm sorry I'm so late because my thing messed up. So back to the 8-ball. But yeah, you can sound, voice, and it'll still do it, okay? And it will also do your things too. See? When I talk, it talks. It does the same thing that you do and say. And you can actually hear it talking to you. So let me raise up my thing. Okay guys, so yeah, there you have it. The 8-ball is a fun thing to do. And I was just telling y'all this because I was so bored. I didn't know what to tell y'all again. So yeah, this is the 8-ball, okay? So I'm gonna let y'all look at it real quick until I get my thing so I can do stuff, okay? So let's see. I'm back, guys. I'm back. Back. How good is it to be back? Okay, so these roller skates, this is the last thing that I'm doing for today. These roller skates, this is like a nice roller skate. I think they were $35 or $50. I don't know, but these things, I had them since I was 8. I'm 9 now. My birthday was at Chuck E. Cheese. I don't even like that. But yeah, this is what it is. And these are rollerblades, new rollerblades. They are cool and stuff. But yeah. And there is one more thing that I gotta show you. It's at the Green Dragon, Adventure Time book. Okay, so yep guys, bye. And I will see y'all later. Bye bye.